The Lamborghini Aventador line actually concluded with the limited run Ultimi in December 2022. There is number 2026 Aventador model. Instead, Lamborghini's current flagship is the plug-in hybrid Revuelto, officially unveiled on March 29, 2023, as the direct successor to the Aventador. Under the Revuelto's carbon fiber monocoque sits a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12, designated L545, paired with 3 electric motors for a combined output of 1,001 horsepower and 1,044 pound-foot of torque. Drive is sent to all 4 wheels via an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, enabling a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in just 2.5 seconds and a top speed around 217 miles per hour. A compact 3.8 kilowatt-hour battery affords approximately 5 miles of EV-only driving before the engine generator recharges the pack. Pricing for the Revuelto starts at about US $612,858 before options, reflecting Lamborghini's status and the complexity of its hybrid drivetrain. Production began in late 2023, and the Revuelto remains in Lamborghini's lineup for the 2026 model year with no major changes announced. Order banks opened in mid-2023 and world deliveries have largely wrapped through 2024 to 25. Exterior styling carries forward the Cisador silhouette, bold Y-shaped lighting signatures, and active aerodynamics, while the interior centers on dual 12.3-inch digital displays, premium semi-aniline leather or Alcantara trim, and a 14.3-inch touchscreen with Google built-in. Carbon ceramic brakes, adaptive suspension, and a 24-speaker Klipsch audio system are among the available appointments. In the hypercar arena, the Revuelto squares off against contemporaries like Ferrari's A12 competition and its forthcoming successors, McLaren's 750S and Artura Hybrid, and Aston Martin's DBS Superleggera. Each brings its own blend of naturally aspirated fervor or electrified power, but Lamborghini's Revuelto stakes its claim on sheer V12 drama combined with electrified thrust, ensuring the spirit of the Aventador lives on well into the 2026 model year.